Thiagarajan, Joint Managing Director of Blue Star Limited, and I'm happy to speak to Hibis on the occasion of our launching new range of room air conditioners for the forthcoming summer season. So we have launched around 135 models of air conditioners, and out of which 40 models are high energy efficient inverter air conditioners. And if you combine 5-star air conditioners and inverter, close to 50% of our portfolio is all energy saving products. And we are also compliant with the global warming potential or the ozone depleting substances related regulations in many models. These products are unique, and every year we want to set a new benchmark, and I'm very happy that we have lived up to the expectations of our consumers, and we are doing extremely well. We have gained market share, and today our market share is around 11.5%. In the forthcoming season we should be touching a market share of around 12.5%. That's our goal, and we are expanding our dealer network. Products will be available in around 4,000 outlets, and we are increasing our advertising spends to rupees 45 crores as against 40, and we are increasing our R&D spends from 30 to 33 crores of rupees, and the manufacturing investments we have already made in the past year. One in Jammu and Sri City, both the places we have acquired the land. Groundbreaking has taken place in Jammu, and we are awaiting certain clarity with regard to GST concessions that's supposed to be made available in Jammu. That clarity should be available soon. As soon as that is available, the construction will begin there.